guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be making a digital vision board. Some people make it and like print out all the pictures. I don't want to do that. Most of us are on our phones a lot. Like when I say a lot, I mean like a lot. And me, I'm on my phone every day. Like wake up and straight get on the phone type shit. So what better way to make the vision board than on the phone? So that's what we're doing, guys. So I'm gonna start screen recording. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, the first thing is you want to open Pinterest. You want to open Pinterest and you want to have what you want in your mind. So this is my vision board for 2025, and what I want, like my goals of 2025, number one is to get my license. So we're gonna add that. We're gonna add multiple pictures. The whole point of this is adding multiple pictures. So this is the affirmation right here. I passed my driving test. We're gonna add that. We're gonna make a new board. The vision. That's what we're gonna call it. Okay. We're gonna add this one that say I finally done it. See, I like the collages like this, but like when I see that it's a white person, this not me being racist tonight. When I see it's a white person, I'm black, so I can't even resonate with this. It's not given. I can't connect to it because it don't look like me. So like, yeah. So I'm just looking for something that resonates with me. So that's what you guys have to do. Just look for something that resonates with you. Like passing the driver's test. Let's look up new car. This one. This is it has the pink. I don't even have a specific car in mind. But a car is a car. So you're gonna add that because I plan on getting a car eventually. I want a car. I know that. Then look at the inside. Pink. That's cute. Okay. Next thing you want is like, we're going to go to like motivational quotes. In fact, we're just going to search vision board ideas. Because, oh, this is perfect. With the passports, but also, that could never be my fingers. So that just disconnects. It's a disconnect from me. I'm trying to feel something that I feel connected to. Like, this is a really, like, these are really aesthetic photos. But they're not going in my vision board because I can't connect to that. Less screen time. I can connect to that. Less screen time. We're gonna add the money because we want to touch a lot of money. Discipline and consistency. So I'm not trying to make this a collab. That's why I'm not trying to put too many like of these quotes and like the words. I'd rather have the photos. Traveling, doing activities, more money. See, this one I wouldn't add because I would never put a bow on a stack of money. Don't even make sense to me. So, next. Travel. I want to travel. I want to get my passport. And it says, stop waiting for everything to be perfect to be happy. And that's I really needed that. Look at all these bags. I'm gonna add it to my vision board, because that's a goal. I want to be able to just drop a bag on me. I gotta get a bag first, but then I want to be able to drop it on me. And clearly, I'm doing YouTube, so I want to be a successful YouTuber and content creator. New job. I want a new job, but also I don't want to work at all. So I'm still caught in like that middle part. It's like, oh, I'm tired of my job right now, but then I don't want to work another job. I'm just tired, period. But really, I'm just looking for things I resonate with. Like, if you want to go to the beach more, you can add this one to your board. It's all about you. It's not copying what I have put in my board. I want to go to concert. It's not about copying what I have in my board. It's about putting what you want for your life in your board. So this is me putting everything. And like y'all see, I'm skipping over like the grades. I'm not in school, and I honestly don't see myself in school anytime soon. So I'm skipping over that. And this is my aesthetic right here. This is cute. Here we're gonna put this right here, the Tiana with the money. And we're gonna add this one, traveling and vlogging. I'm just trying to think about what else I want to do. I do want to be debt free, but ain't no but. Ain't no buts. Ain't no but. Because when I say but, that's me doubting myself. Ain't no buts. I want to live my best fucking life, okay? This is a cute setup. This one. This is a cute setup. I am creating the life of my dreams. And you could just add how many you want. It's not a limit, especially since this is a digital one. So I'm going to just keep adding until I feel fulfilled. See, I would add this, but I already have this. So, boom. I am a magnet for success. You see, I would add this, but why is there a baby here? And also, it's not somebody that look like me. You know what I mean? I want to go on a girls' trip. I want to do more journaling as well. Corporate baddie. You know what? Let's go through what I have right now. So this is the one I just made with y'all. We're gonna just swipe through it, right? Okay. So this is like a job, corporate type job. Not even that I want one, but it's like if I was to get a job, I would rather have that one. I want to do more journaling, traveling, a group travel, even if it's just like 1 or 2 people. I am a magnet for success. Money. I'm creating the life of my dreams. Live your best life. Debt free. I want to travel and vlog. Money. 100K. I want to reach 100K. I want to go to concerts. A new job. Hopefully content creating can be my job. Because if that really, not even if, because I know it will work out. When that work out, shopping spree. And this, stop waiting for everything to be perfect to be happy. Travel, money, traveling, discipline, consistency, less screen time, more money, new car. Gotta get that license first. I passed my driving test. Gotta get that license first. That's one of my main goals. Getting that license, and then whenever I feel like getting a car, and then hopefully by that time okay, so now that you're done with your vision board, whenever you're finished your vision board, it could be more than 28 pins, it could be like 100, however many, it doesn't matter, however many, as long as they all have a meaning to you. And also, the reason why I'm doing this on my phone, because like I said earlier, everybody's on their phone every day, so might as well put the vision board on your phone. So this is what you do. So with the iPhones, I'm pretty sure with other phones too, you can add like a widget. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm pressing hold on my screen. Wait, let me figure out how to edit. Okay, so you press and hold your screen, and then you hit edit, add widget, and it's gonna come up for different ones like music, calendar, clock, photos, whatever. We're gonna add a Pinterest widget. Not that one. We're gonna add a widget. Oh, not this widget. Hold up. So we're gonna search. We're gonna type Pinterest. Home feed. You could have it like a small square, a rectangle, a big rectangle, or like your board. So we're gonna do this big board, this big one for the board. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose the board, and that will be the vision, and it's gonna update hourly. So it can update hourly or daily. You don't want to put it on daily, you want to update it hourly, because every time you get on your phone, it'll be a new picture from your vision board on your phone, and you'll read it and you'll see it and you'll be manifesting. So that's what you want to do. So right here, as you guys can see, it brought up the I am a successful influencer one. Also, this is the vision board I created to help show y'all how to create one on your phone, the digital one. But you want to keep the widget somewhere where you, as soon as you open your phone, you see it. So this wouldn't be it for me. This is just an example. That's actually not even my full vision board. I have a different one, as you guys saw. But what's the page I'm on the most, as y'all can see, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Snapchat, all of these apps, these are the apps I use the most frequently. That's why I put my Pinterest board at the top left corner, and it says manifesting a flexible job. So every hour it changes, and like when you click on it, it takes you straight to the board. And also it's easier, like when you're like, oh, I need to look at my vision board for today. You go and click on it, and there's your vision board for today. There's your vision board. You can look through it and manifest everything you want. You can add more if you want to. And the best part about making a vision board is that at the end of the year, you can reflect and see what happened and what didn't happen and what you want moving forward. So that's really all I have to say about the vision board. You really just want to make it personal to you. What do you want in your life? What do you want to happen in your life? Even if it's something small, like I want to pass on my grades, I want to pass on my classes. Put hella passing on your classes, inspirational things. Like when you see all these A's, you're gonna want to get the A's. It's like you see it, you think it, you say it, you believe it. So just remember that. So yeah, pretty much, yeah. And I know some people are doing like even like a board for like vision boards for like hairstyles they want. Like people are making vision boards talking about they want to change their hairstyle like every month. And I'm like, okay, I get that. They want to make sure their hair done all 12 months out the year. I'm like, okay. So if it's something like that, you can do that as well. It doesn't just have to be like about your life long term. It could be small stuff like getting my nails being done, each nail style I want, each hairstyle I want, something like that. Whatever, as long as it means something to you, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter if it means something to them. Don't matter if it means something to her or him. It only matters what you think, because at the end of the day, this is your life. So I know what I want in my life. I know I don't want to work another damn job. I'm tired of fucking jobs. I'd rather do this content creation, which I've been doing for years now, and I'm making enough of it. But it soon come. It soon come. I don't give up. That's the biggest thing. It's like, even if it's not coming to fruition how you want it, it's not it's what they say. It's not just a quick little race. It's a marathon. Like, you gotta keep going. Just never give up. So yeah. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more. I'm trying to keep it like the chill vibe. That's why I'm in my robe and everything. Because it's like, you want to be comfortable while you trying to pick a life for you that will be comfortable for the future you. Also, if you have any questions about the vision board or what you should add. Also, if you have any questions about the vision board or what you should add or anything, just leave it down below and I'll answer to the best of my abilities. But also, just remember, this is yours. It don't have to look like mine. It don't have to look like hers, because everybody wants different things out of life. So this is your vision board, and this is the vision for your life. How you want your 2025 to go. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more, and check out my latest video. Bye.